People are making thousands of dollars creating simple faceless YouTube videos without ever showing their face. Here's how you can do it too. Documentary-style videos are especially lucrative. Some channels make tens of thousands of dollars a month. You're probably thinking, great for them, but I don't have the skills or money to hire an editor or use expensive software like Premiere Pro. Well, what if I told you that you can create viral documentary videos with just Canva for free? Yes, you heard me right. You don't need fancy tools or professional skills. Canva, a free and easy-to-use platform, can help you create high-quality faceless videos that compete with expensive tools. Stick around because I'll show you step-by-step how it's done. It's much easier than you think. Step 1. Start with the script. Scripting is the backbone of every engaging documentary video. In fact, a video with captivating scripting and basic editing is more likely to go viral than a poorly scripted video with professional editing. So, take the steps seriously. ChatGPT can help you get started, but always review and refine the scripts for improvement. You can also take inspiration from successful YouTube channels in your niche. For this tutorial, I'll only use ChatGPT for the script. Open ChatGPT and submit this prompt. I need a YouTube video script for a documentary about ancient Egypt that can be produced using Canva. Add scene descriptions and keywords that can be easily found in Canva. In a few minutes, ChatGPT will generate the script and scene description keywords in seconds. Copy the script and save it in a text editor. Separate the script from the scene descriptions. Make sure the script has proper punctuation to generate a smooth voiceover with emotions. Get my free prompts in the description so you can add your desired emotions to your script and voiceover. Step 2 is to create a voiceover. Now that you have your scripts, next is creating a voiceover. Canva does have a text-to-speech tool, but I recommend using 11 Labs or Play HT for more realistic, high-quality voices.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic...
These platforms offer a free plan with 20 minutes of voiceover generation per month. If you want a discount off your free month on 11 Labs, I have a link in the description. Today, I'm going to use Play HT for the voiceover because I already have it open. Open Play HT and paste your script. Choose a voice you like and generate the voiceover and download it. Step 3 is to create the video. Next, open Canva and search for YouTube video. This will open a blank white canvas. Change the canvas color to black. Upload your voiceover to Canva and add it to the video. Click the plus icon to add blank pages until they match the length of the voiceover. Here's the problem with free Canva. Searching for elements without the crown icon, Pro version, can take ages. Here's the faster alternative. Use the last page to gather all elements for your video. Copy a keyword from the scene descriptions generated by ChatGPT, paste it into the Canva search bar and find relevant elements, save them on the last page before starting the video editing. Now that we have all elements ready, let's put everything together. The intro decides whether viewers stay or skip, so make it count. Add 3 good-looking clips, then select a clip, click Edit, adjust for a cinematic look. Increase temperature, contrast, and vignette. Set each clip's duration to 0.6 seconds or whatever you like. You can do this by clicking the scissor icon and type in the duration or drag to adjust. Add animations by selecting a clip, go to Animate, choose a sharp animation like Pop on Enter, then add page animations like Chill for smooth transitions. Now, let's add sound effects. I want to match transitions with sound effects for an epic intro. You can get sound effects from Canva, or I've shared the ones I use in my description. Okay, let's add a few more animations. Extend the last clip to 4 frames and split it after 2 frames. Let's change the transition to circle white. Split it again immediately after the transition. Resize the last clip and go to the Element tab and place it in the circle frame. Put the clip in the frame and make sure to position it at the center. Add a borderline with a gradient color. Move it left using Custom Animation. Click on Animate and choose this custom. Next is to draw a line to link the clips. Look for Draw on the right side. Choose a color and drag the pen to create a straight line. Put it at the center. Let's give it a wipe animation and increase size. Position it behind the frame by clicking on Position at the top, switch to Layer, and drag the frame to the top. Great! Let's add the next frame. Add a borderline and give it a nice gradient color. Next, we need to assign timing to the clip. Right-click on the clip and choose Show Element Time. This is where you set the time where the selected element should show up. I'm going to adjust it to show immediately after the drawn line. Give it a slide right animation. Let's create this next animation. Select the images, then place the dark map as the background with brief animations. Use Show Element Timing to time the animation perfectly. Split images into 4 squares and animate them separately. After this, you can keep the rest of the video simple by adding clips that match the voiceover and using transitions and animations where necessary. Hey, friend, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. You don't need to be an expert editor to make great videos, but you do need good sound design. The right music and sound can transform your videos. Don't forget to download where I get my sounds and music from in my description. Now, back to the video. Browse Canva's audio library for sound effects like risers, whooshes, and impacts. Drag sound effects to specific points in the timeline. Adjust volumes to match the tone of your video. Use suspenseful or thematic background music. Last thing to do is generating captions. Canva's caption tool doesn't work for voiceovers. So, the solution is to export, then re-import the video. You can generate the caption then. Once captions are generated, edit them for accuracy. That's it! You've just learned how to create stunning faceless YouTube videos using Canva for free! You can learn more about branding in my description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips. Let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials. Thanks for watching!